Hello, friends, family, and welcome to the new people. My name is Misha, and today I'm gonna start to declutter and upcycle my wardrobe and hopefully making it into a wardrobe of my dreams. If you are wondering, this pile is my t-shirt drawer. Some of these don't fit me anymore, some of them I collected over the past years as a part of my work uniform. Most of them I don't wear and they just take up space. I also feel with fall and winter coming, it's perfect time to start closet cleanup, scrap busting projects, and destashing my fabric stash. So if any of those interest you, feel free to subscribe and hang around. I sorted all my t-shirts and selected my candidates for the upcycle. Based on my selection, I designed these two tops, and I would like to start with the patchwork one. For that, I need to make two panels for the front and back. Also, one of the t-shirts that I chosen have a band print on the front. I would like to use it whole as a sleeve, and from another one, the striped polo, I would like to reuse the whole collar and the button down detail. The cutting process was way longer than I expected, and now I fully understand why quilters use woven fabrics. To reach some kind of consistency with the shape, it was time-consuming and kind of discouraging. But my panels are ready, and now I can transform this fabric into a top. My patchwork top is done. I will show it to you a little bit later, and now I would like to talk a little bit about the stripe one. Little backstory. In 2014, I started a small brand, and my first collection actually was called the striped one. One of these tops is actually from that very, very first collection, and the other one is using one of the fabrics as well, but it's special because I made my own screen print back when I was studying fashion design. Obviously, they both have a very sentimental value to me, so to take time and make them into one wearable top is a must for me, and I am very happy that I finally made time to do this. I will keep it simple. I will just seam rip some parts I will simply cut it off, and then I will expand it and sew it back together and enjoy it for the rest of my life. Okay, friends, the moment has come. Both of my tops are done, so shall we review them? Ta-da! This is the striped one. Originally, I intended to make it like an op arty and play with the stripes and assemble it in a different direction, but the more I thought about it, I, as you can see, changed my mind because I really wanted this screen print to be the start of the show and also hold on to my very sentimental fabric, and I'm kind of happy with the result. So let's talk about what I did. I made the sleeves bigger. One of them was a long sleeve, so that one I kept. The other one was 3/4, so I add this. That's the only art thing that I did. I changed the direction of the stripe on this sleeve. As you can see, one has the narrow stripes, the other one has the wider ones. I like it, I think it's a fun detail. Also, my back is from the wider stripes. And as I was widening it, I also added these side panels to make it looser, more comfy for me. I put back the original neckline, and that's it. I reassemble it and finish it on my cover lock machine. One thing that I missed a little bit, I don't know where it is. Oh, it's here. Or is it this side? No, this side is kind of perfect. The stripes align here and also where I extended it. But on the other side, because I was lazy and didn't measure it if those tops are actually the same dimensions, I messed it up and I think it bunches up a little bit here. It's also visible because the width of the stripes are different, but I kind of don't mind. It is what it is. And also, with the fit, I would like to make it a little bit looser. The sleeves are okay, they are perfect. I will be rolling them up anyways, because even if I wear long sleeves, I always roll up my sleeves on everything, even on hoodies. But the body, I wish I made it a little bit more oversized, I hope, because now it's kind of just like loose fitting top. And that is correct, that is what I wanted. But I would appreciate it a little bit more if it was oversized, so maybe like even make it more boxy. But still, I'm glad that I'm able to finally wear it and enjoy it, and it feels so comfy. I'm so happy. So this one, I would for sure give it 8 out of 10 for the messing up the stripes alignment here. Because also, when I told you about my brand, that was the one thing that I was really focusing on, that every striped thing had the stripes perfectly aligned. As you can see here, it's a very bright. I'm very proud of it, you know. Perfectly aligned stripes, as it should be. Yeah, so that's this one. Still love it. Will wear it till it falls apart from my body. And now let's move on to the patchwork one. As you can see, I didn't use the original neckline because as I put it on my mannequin and pinned it there, it was too much, and not in a good way. It was clashing too much with the other patterns, and it also looked a little bit like a bib for a baby. So I ditched that idea, used a green neckline from one of the t-shirts. I used the band t-shirt, yes, I'm very proud of that sleeve. And I'm also proud of my rectangles and how I was able to make these beautiful checkered panels. One thing that I would say that was a little bit of a miss is the final length. As you can see, it's a very cropped top, but that I messed up when I cut the rectangles. I should have left them longer, because as I was assembling them into rows and then making them even, I was like cutting bits by bits, millimeters by millimeters, so I ended up it being a crop top. It's not a big of a problem. I can always in the future make and add one more row if I would like it longer. Yeah, and this is the fit that I would also appreciate on the striped one, but it is what it is. So this one, definitely 9.5 out of 10. I love it. Little bit wild with the prints and colors. I will show you the back. Yes. So yeah, that's this one. Hooray! 2 new upcycled t-shirts. I'm so excited to wear them, and you will be seeing them for sure in my videos. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for hanging around with me. I have 2 new tops and still plenty of t-shirts to make, even a dress I was thinking about. We'll see about it in the future. Thank you so much for hanging around with me. And also I apologize for such a long break. It somehow happened. I'm sorry about that. Let me know down in the comments which of these 2 you would like more and would wear. And also I would like to read your feedback if you are even interested into this decluttering into upcycling content. If you like this video, please subscribe, stay forever, and maybe share it with a friend who also is interested in upcycling. I would like to grow this community of like-minded people. And thank you so much. That's it. Bye. See you next time.